Step 2 is you select and configure the exploit code and the exploit code options in Metasploit. Get access to the victim's computer. Step 4, you select the payload you wish to launch along with the exploit code. And step 5, you launch the attack. That is what Metasploit is all about. Now, at this point of time, I like to try and show you Metasploit. So if all of you look at the screen, this is what Metasploit looks like. So let me just type a command called show exploits. Like I said, exploit is basically, if you notice, it says it's not been updated for a very long time, because I'm running the Windows version of Metasploit right now, but I normally just use the backtrack version. I prefer backtrack for most of my hacking activities, but for the purpose of this course, I'm also showing you Metasploit on Windows. So by typing the command show exploits, I'm going to basically display all the different exploit codes that are available on this particular in this particular version of Metasploit. So if you notice, there are multiple columns. So the first column basically tells me the name of the exploit. Second column tells me the date when it was discovered. So a lot of them, some are pretty old, 94, some are more recent, 2012. There may be something even closer to that if I update this Metasploit. And then you have how dangerous this loophole is, right? So all this information is available in Metasploit. Now, if you look at the first column, not only does it show you the normal name of the particular exploit, it also shows you the technical name or the path name of that particular exploit. So you can load any of these exploit codes and then start executing them against the victim's computer. So that is what Metasploit looks like. You have Metasploit even in backtrack. So you go into exploit tools, network exploitation, I think, and then Metasploit framework. And then select MSF console. You can always update it whenever you feel like it. So we will actually not get into how to load the exploit code and how to actually execute the attack at this point of time, but later on in this course we'll definitely be discussing that. Right now I will just show you some simple things that you can do using Metasploit. I'm just trying to see what all I would like to show you today, and then we'll continue. Okay. So first thing that I like to show to you is port scanning using Metasploit. It is possible to port scan a remote computer using Metasploit. All the nmap commands are valid in Metasploit as well. Another way to do port scan using Metasploit is to simply type the following commands. So I'll give all of you a couple of minutes to write these commands down. So you type search port scan. So the search command can be used to search for any kind of module or any kind of exploit code, including the port scanning exploit code or the port scanning tool. So let me actually just do a demonstration of this. So I type search port scan. So it's now performing an entire search of the database of Metasploit.